Custom industrial automation has become an indispensable tool in the life sciences industry as it transforms the way medical devices are manufactured, treatments are administered, and people are supported in their healthcare journey. Here are a few key reasons why. Enhanced precision and quality control. Custom automation solutions enable precise control over critical manufacturing processes, reducing the risk of human error and ensuring consistent and accurate results. Increased productivity. Automation allows life sciences companies to optimize their workforces, leading to increased productivity and quality. Cost reduction. By reducing the need for manual labor and minimizing errors, organizations can achieve greater operational efficiency, regulatory compliance, and traceability. Industrial automation aids in compliance by providing standardized processes and meticulous record-keeping. Speed to market. The ability to swiftly bring innovative treatments, devices, and therapies to market has a profound impact on patient care, public health, and the competitiveness of the medical industry. As the medical industry continues to evolve, custom automation solutions will remain at the forefront, revolutionizing the field of life sciences and ultimately benefiting patients and healthcare providers around the world. For more on how Eclipse Automation can deliver these key benefits, please read our blog at eclipseautomation.com.